Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you why more than 90% of dropshipping stores fail and how to avoid these common mistakes. And I will be even including free resources on marketing and consumer psychology, so when you are building your dropshipping store, you can do it the right way from the very beginning. And guys, you already know this entire guide is available as a free download. Just below the video in the description box, there is a link to download this entire guide for free. And guys, before we dive into it, you can get Shopify for only $1 a month for the next 3 months, guys. And also you can get a Shopify AI powered theme from Debutify for only $1 a month for the next 30 days, guys. And all these links are available in this guide that you can download for free, guys. So go ahead, in the description box below the video, there's a link to download this guide and you will find all these links in this guide. Okay guys, so mistake number 1, treating dropshipping store like a get quick rich scheme, guys. So most people jump into dropshipping thinking it's a shortcut to easy and quick money, but no, it's not. Treat it like a real business. Commit to learning for 3 to 12 months at least, because dropshipping, just like any other business, it's an actual business model. Always build consistent habits, research, testing, and tweaking. You're gonna be A/B testing so many things that is crazy, but that's how it works, so encourage it from the very beginning. Always aim for long-term success, not overnight success, guys. Okay, dropshipping is not something that's gonna happen overnight. Again, it's gonna take you months and even up to a year to start seeing consistent results. And here is an example for the right mindset, guys. Okay, instead of launching one store and quitting after a week, commit to a 90-day learning sprint. Journal learnings from every test and learn from there. Mistake number 2, obsessing over winning products. Yes, product selection does matter, but most people fail not because the product is bad, but because they have no marketing strategy behind it. This is what you should do instead. Focus on offers. Why should someone buy from you, first of all? Build a story behind the product and the brand. What transformation will this product create and what are the benefits for the consumer? Learn consumer psychology and emotional hooks. And again, guys, this will be included as a free resource in this guide, and you will find it on the last slide. So for example, instead of selling a LED night lamp, try the cozy tulip lamp that turns your bedroom into calming sanctuary. Mistake number 3, low profit margins. If your margins is less than $30, you're going to struggle, especially when you factor in ad costs and returns, supplier costs, Shopify costs, and all of that stuff. This is what you should do instead. Choose products with high perceived value, bundle or upsell related products, and always set prices that leave room for paid ads and to scale. Instead of $15 gadget with $5 profit, sell a $50 grooming kit with $32 profit. Mistake number 4, poor landing pages that don't convert. Because sending traffic to a generic unoptimized page is like throwing money in the trash. This is what you should do instead. Split test 3 to 4 versions of your landing page. Use language that sells outcomes, not futures. This is a huge one. I see a lot of dropshippers just copy paste the content and the futures from the supplier's page and just put them on the product page, guys. This will not work because most of the time it just simply describes the futures, which makes absolutely no sense to the consumer, because consumers are not interested in the futures of the product. First, they want to know if it solves their problem and why should they buy it. And as a secondary, you can mention the futures of the product. Then include UGC, benefit-based visuals and sticky CTA buttons. Okay guys, and you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on UGC creators. Now you can do the entire thing with AI. You can use something like Creatify.ai. All of these are essentially UGC AIs, guys. These are not real people, guys. I know it looks absolutely crazy, but all of this is created with AI. And it can even hold your product in hands, guys, which is absolutely insane. This is the exact type of content that you would pay at least $300 to $400 to an actual UGC content creator, guys. Now you can get it for a fraction of the cost. And here are some tools that you can use. You can use something like Landers by PageCheck to study high converting pages, or simply use the Debutify AI Shopify theme with pre-built templates. With the Debutify, you can choose from all of these templates, guys, and all these templates are already pre-built by AI for pretty much any niche, guys. We have fashion, pets, beauty, footwear, jewelry, and bunch of more, guys, and it's all pre-built by AI, so you don't have to spend hours and hours on building and designing your Shopify store, guys. And additionally, the Debutify comes with a bunch of AI tools to speed up the process, guys. You have the AI store builder, you have product and title description generator, you have AI banners generator, you can even create logos and even blogs, guys. So this is essentially your entire Shopify store AI powerhouse, guys. And you don't need to think about optimizing it for mobile or for conversion rates. The Debutify theme is already optimized out of the box for all of this. Okay guys, next up, mistake number 5 is consuming too much free advice. Watching 10 YouTubers will leave you confused and inconsistent. So this is what you should do instead. Pick one trusted framework or creator and follow it fully from A to Z. And this is super important. Stay consistent for at least 60 to 90 days before pivoting to a different one. Here's an example. Follow one dropshipping mentor's blueprint for 2 months at least before you jump to another channel's advice. And guys, if you need help with your Shopify dropshipping or marketing, we have it all covered on our Debutify YouTube channel, guys. So go ahead and check it out. We have full courses on building your Shopify store, full courses on dropshipping, meta ads, Google ads, marketing, guys, SEO, pretty much everything you would need to have to build a successful dropshipping store and brand, guys, and it's all available for free. Okay guys, mistake number 6, no testing strategy. You just can't expect every product to work. Most successful dropshippers test at least 2 to 3 products per month and even more. This is what you should do instead. Set a clear testing budget for yourself, for example, $500 a month. Prepare campaigns in advance so you can quickly move to the next idea and A/B test it. And then analyze what exactly failed or didn't work. Is it offer, creative, or landing page? For example, launch a product with 3 different variations plus 2 headlines. Then prepare product B in draft with creatives ready for next week. And guys, here are my pro tips to succeed in 2025 with dropshipping. Number 1, cut distraction. Replace your Netflix with deep learning on ads and psychology. Tip number 2, level up those creatives, guys. Don't stop at AI generated images, enhance them with Canva or Photoshop if you have skills to do that. Split test literally every single thing. Headlines, hooks, offers, bundles, your product page, landing page, everything. Tip number 4, focus on outcome selling. Sell a solution to a consumer's problem, not a SKU or a product number, guys. Tip number 5, leverage .store domains. .store domains are cleaner, conversion-friendly branding, and you can even get one for free through the Debutify AI theme setup. And let me show you how easy it is to claim your .store free domain, guys. So once you're gonna create an account with the Debutify, it's gonna be available on the main dashboard right here, guys. Claim your free .store domain, okay? All you're gonna do, you're gonna enter the domain that you want, guys. You're gonna search for it. You're gonna simply continue with the setup, and setup is super friendly and automated, guys. And all you're gonna do is just fill in some information, and you're gonna have your free .store domain in minutes. And here are some tools to simplify your journey and to make it super easy for you guys. So the first one is Shopify, $1 a month for 3 months, guys. Shopify is still the best solution for dropshipping because it's reliable, fast, and beginner friendly. Tool number 2, guys, the Debutify AI theme for only $1 for 30 days, guys. Because building Shopify theme and designing it can take hours and days, and the Debutify makes it easy by offering all of these pre-built templates by AI, guys. So all you're gonna do, choose the niche, download the theme, and install it in Shopify, and plug and play your product, and you are ready to go. Next up, guys, our best friend ChatGPT. ChatGPT will be your best friend for everything from content to ideas all the way down to generating product images. And guys, as promised, I'm including free marketing and consumer psychology resources. First one is marketingexamples.com, and you're gonna find marketing resources literally on every single topic coming from world-class experts, guys. So you have resources on content, SEO, sales, social ads, copywriting, landing pages, guys, pretty much everything, okay? And this content is coming from industry leaders and people who've been working for huge companies, and all this knowledge is available for free, guys. Next up, guys, we have buyer psychology, okay? So buyer psychology, essentially, it's a behavior psychology behind why people buying and what are the psychological reasons behind it, guys. It's more of a reading, but absolutely worth it. Because by understanding consumer psychology, you will learn how customers make decisions and what exactly triggers people to buy. Then we have Facebook ads library, guys. So this is a 100% free tool, guys, from Facebook. Let me just open it up so you see it. So in here, guys, you can literally spy on all the active and inactive meta ads that have been done in the past couple of days and weeks, guys. So this is literally free data, guys, to see exactly what competitors are doing in terms of ads, how they are running their ads, what kind of a copy they're doing, and how exactly is their strategy laid out when it comes to meta ads, guys. It's super easy to use, guys. You're just gonna choose the location, ad category, and you're gonna enter some keywords and you are good to go, and you're gonna see the actual real meta ads from competitors and big companies. And the last one, guys, is the Decision Lab, which is essentially a practical psychology and behavioral science behind why people buy exactly what they buy and what exactly makes them buy. Guys, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the content, and let me know down in the comments, guys, what you think. And if you need help with your dropshipping store, or if you have any questions about dropshipping in general, let me know down in the comments and I'm gonna help you out. And as well, if you have any suggestions for content, or if you want me to make content on any other topic or specific tools, niches, or any other Shopify or marketing content, let me know down in the comment as well, and I'm gonna make it for free. And guys, thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.